Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to create one of the very delicious and healthy recipe, that is restaurant style homemade tuna fish cake. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and let me know your opinion through the comments. And if you're new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So without any further delay, let's straight into the video. Here I'm taking one tuna can. I just remove the extra water and press it with the fork. Then I'm going to blend the rest of the ingredients. Here I'm taking mint leaf, 8 to 10 pieces of green chili, coriander slice and one big size of onion. Then I'm going to add all the ingredients in a chopper. I will blend all these ingredients for near about 10 seconds. So this is the look and this is the consistency. Now I'm going to add these ingredients over my tuna fish. Then I'm going to blend the bread. Here I'm taking 2 big size of bread and just cut in a cube pieces. Again I'm going to blend this one for near about 10 seconds. So my blending is almost done. Now I'm going to also add these ingredients over my tuna fish. So basically the breadcrumb I'm using here to make a soft binding texture. Then I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients here. I'm going to add 1 egg. After that I'm going to add the rest of the dry ingredients. Here I'm taking half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of the red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder and 2 pinch of black pepper. Then I'm going to add dark soy sauce. Here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Just keep in mind that in dark sauces there is already salt, so I need to reduce the quantity of the salt. Now I'm going to add extra lemon juice. I'm taking here half lemon. Just squeeze over the keema. Here I'm making 8 pieces of fish cake. Now I'm going to start to frying this one to cover the breadcrumb. Here I'm taking just natural plain breadcrumb. I'm start to frying this fish cake. Here I'm using 100 ml of sunflower oil. I'm just covering the fish with the breadcrumb. Then I will fry it for near about 8 to 10 minutes in low heat of temperature. I will cover all the fish over the breadcrumb. Then I'm going to pouring all the Here I am going to cook it for near about 5 minutes in each side. After 5 minutes I will turn it to the opposite side. So the cooking process basically in total 8 to maximum 10 minutes. It must be in lower heat of temperature. If I'm giving the upper heat, then it will cook in it will be burning outside, and inside it will be undercooked. So temperature is very important. I'm just turning it to the little bits of to the moving. So this is the color. It's just become the golden brown in color. My cooking is almost done. Now it's ready to serve. So this is the close view. It's completely golden brown in color. It's completely like a restaurant. So I just show everything, all those steps. So please try to make this recipe. I think that no one will be disappointed after making this recipe. And if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and give a like of this video. See you in next video. Thank you so much.